Okay.
Hey, go for it. Hey, go for it.
Oh! Here.
Took it right out of
Try.
Took it right out of me.
Nah, I'm good.
I hit one.
I'm good.
Let me try. Tigray. Vincent, take the camera. Hurry up.
Okay. You don't know wrong, Anthony.
I know what I'm doing. Look at him. He's like, oh, I need to do this.
My back.
You think it's gonna work? Okay. Okay,
Nice.
Okay, here on the camera. He's gonna run after it. He's gonna run
Have to see this. Okay.
Do you want to do it? You know you want to.
Vincent, stop. All right. Just bring it over to the corner, okay? Just pay attention. Oh. He's got it. Not too close to the table.
Why not? This is good right here. Just do this.
Careful he doesn't bang himself.
If I do this.
I don't want.
It's gonna go after it.
Yes!
He took it.
You style it, Tigray?
Yeah.
You're in style, Tigray.
Look at him.
Okay, give it up. Okay, give it up. Okay, Tigray, just give it up. Okay?
Oh, that was cute.
Oh, this is why I love cats. Okay, where is he? Oh, there he is. Okay. Okay, here. Okay.
He's gonna go
Noni, look out. Aww. It's so
He's gonna take you
cute.
with him. It's gonna move after you. It's gonna go. It's gonna
Oh! You okay? You okay? Aw.
What's going on with that lawyer?
I think she would have got more than 7,000, but I guess the lawyer took her. She did that.
They all suck. Fight for themselves more than they want.
Well, she knows I have no money.
But you
Aww.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at the cutest kitty. Look at the cutest kitty. Oh, he's gonna go out there. Is he like? You should make it go in one direction, like that way.
Okay, good idea.
That way. He'll go after it.
Like that band? One
Yes.
Direction?
No,
That band is horrible.
exactly.
I miss my calling.
Okay, you don't know what I mean.
I know what you mean,
No.
dude. Alright,
Here's what I mean.
I'll hold the camera.
The only thing is Vincent wouldn't let me cut the back of his head.
How do I look?
Goes after it like this. See?
Show me what.
I got a haircut the other day.
I'll go after this. Okay, watch.
Vince,
Yeah?
get over here.
Okay, hold on.
Oh God. Okay.
Oh,
Straight
white.
back.
Oh, look at that. You look like Nemo.
Nemo.
Finding Nemo.
Fish.
Oh, the
Okay,
guy
okay.
died.
Excuse me.
Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
Wait, hold on. I want to do this again.
Okay.
Put me on the chair. Okay. Get on the chair. It's gonna run right here. It's gonna run. It's gonna run for it.
There he is. He's right over there.
Once I make this turn, he's going to run for it.
There he is. Oh, so cute. I got it. Okay, here.
See if he'll play with my hat.
Here.
Look, let's see if he'll go after my hat.
He's not. Don't make him go after your hat.
No, it doesn't matter. Got one.
Need that
No.
to cover your bald head.
It has scratches on it anyways.
Oh,
It has a hole in it.
oh, so cute. You gonna give it up?
Oh, Titi, hi.
I don't think you're gonna give it up.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Oh,
Okay, here, hold on.
okay, I think that's enough.
No. Keep recording.
Okay.
Keep recording.
Okay. Come on, I
Actually,
really want to play Five Nights at Freddy's.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, this is the last time because I really want to play Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm getting into it.
It's gonna go for it. My hat, really?
Cute.
Wait, before we do that, let's see if he'll go after my hat.
Okay, good.
Is it gonna go after
I don't think he's gonna go after your hat, Vincent. Okay. Let's try this again.
No, stop. We'll go after my hat. He's like, which one do I go after? Which one?
No, he didn't take it.
Wait.
Okay, come on.
Wait.
I really want to play Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hold on. This is really cool. My hat has a hole in it, you know? So
Yeah.
I have an idea.
Okay. What's your idea?
This is gonna go
To trick
through
the
hole.
cat. We have
Yeah,
to trick.
trick the cat.
We have to trick the cat.
And we're like this.
Oh my God.
It's totally gonna work. I have an idea. Look, see? I'm gonna hold this too.
You can't get it. You can't get any stupider.
He's gonna go after it. Watch. See, this is gonna be so cool.
Why?
Here it goes.
Here he comes.
Wait.
Drop the table, cat.
Go over here. Go over here.
Aw, so
Yeah,
cute.
come over here and record this. Come over here.
Okay.
Wait.
Aw.
Kitty. Okay, keep going. Go there.
So cute. I love cats. This is why I love cats. Aww. Man, unlike Arlo and Lexus, Seagray is really playful. Dude, what are you doing?
I don't know.
So cute, Seagray. So cute. Yeah. Okay.
I definitely got glasses. Tigray!
Seagray, look.
Tigray!
Look at Vincent. I don't think he's gonna get into it. Okay, I'm just gonna take.
No. I have an idea. Tigray!
I'm gonna turn this off
Wait.
when we're up to 10.
He's coming.
I'm gonna turn this off when we're up to 10. Okay.
Wait.
Aww. Okay. It's 10. I'm gonna turn this off now.
Wait.
I'm turning this off.
Whoa.
Turning this off.